I'm attorney Michael Reynolds, a practicing lawyer with extensive experience in criminal defense and civil litigation across the United States. In this incident, officers initiated a traffic stop for marked lanes violations and an improper turn. The driver provided identification but became argumentative, refusing to answer questions about firearms and demanding a ticket. Officers noted expired license plates and decided to tow the vehicle. The driver then fled the scene, leading to a brief pursuit that ended at her residence where she resisted handcuffing and was arrested.
My bad. Hello.
Take that flashlight off of me.
No. My name is Officer Smith, Akron Police Department. Reason for the stop. One, you were flying down Vernon Odom. You had a marked lanes violation at Vernon Odom and Mallison. And then you made an improper turn when you turned on the roads here. You turned to the middle lane, you didn't turn to the inside lane.
Man, get my license in here. Get my ticket. Because you're not about to get on my nerves. Give me my ticket, please. Thank you.
We ask everybody this with the new firearm laws on how many firearms in the vehicle are on you.
Ticket.
You have to answer that.
I do not have to answer nothing.
Yes, you do.
Give me my ticket.
You want to get arrested?
Please. Give me
you
my
have to
ticket.
answer that. Is there any firearms in the vehicle?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Give me my ticket, please, and have a good
I will,
night.
and I will. Don't you worry.
Okay, you don't got nothing to search for. Ain't nothing in here.
This is not a search.
Give me my ticket, please.
You can wait a second.
No, I cannot. I got somewhere to go. Give me my ticket, like I said. Because that's all you got to do.
How long have you been a police officer for?
How long have you been one?
Years.
You can never have been, because you know I know my rights, so I said give me my ticket. I don't got to answer shit else.
Okay. What law school did you go to?
Run that ticket and give me my ticket and have a good night. This is tripping. Just run that ticket and have a good night.
H-Town got niggas on the
Wasn't even coming down here.
party some more.
Man, can you turn the radio down? Ma'am! Hey! That radio's too loud!
Nothing else. You can go back there with him.
I need to be able to hear behind me
You
for
don't have to
traffic.
hear shit else. Bye.
Absolutely I do.
Bye. Don't be by my car then.
That's it.
Don't be by my car.
I need to be right here. It's a safety
Well,
issue if I
guess what?
can't
You
hear
go
but
the music. Back the up.
also, you can't be playing music that loud out of your vehicle.
Man, you can't tell me what the I can't play.
I'm not saying you can't play that music.
Shut up, then.
It can't be that loud.
Man, kiss my ass.
That's absolutely too
Kiss my
loud.
ass and give me my ticket. That's all you need to worry about.
You can stay up there, but don't worry about the radio.
I don't know why y'all keep talking to me.
This message is brought to you by
Shit, y'all wasn't even on f***ing Fiona. So kiss my ass. Y'all just turned off for Fiona. Y'all some f***ing tops. I'm glad I'm moving the f*** out of here again. I get this case thrown out too, because y'all some y'all ain't doing shit. Y'all just doing some weird ass shit. Y'all got nothing else to do. Or be on somebody else's. Hurry up, it don't take that long. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nothing. Hurry up and get in my ticket. Y'all been here for a minute. Cause my license valid. I don't quit no good, you. What's up with your partner? It don't take that long.
Sometimes it can.
No, it don't. Cause I got pulled over by the store and it never took this long. So see what your partner doing.
If I
It don't take that long to write me a motherfucking ticket.
Would you
It
believe
does.
that
So
giraffes
It don't take that long to write my motherfucking ticket.
Stowe does more
It
traffic
don't
than
I don't
Akron
give
does.
Akron the same way. Akron don't got bullshit.
Yeah.
So go see what's up with my ticket.
Yeah, so typically Stowe does more traffic than we do, so they're probably more experienced when it comes to traffic
Sit
citations.
your slow ass back.
I'm just telling you how it is.
Nah, you just sound like you just got in the police division.
No.
Y'all some weak ass motherfuckers anyways. I'm glad I'm deep in this motherfucking weak ass city.
Where are you going?
None of your business.
Fair. That's fine.
Don't pull me over for no motherfuckers. All them cars flying down the motherfucking
It was a Mark Lane's violation.
Man, Mark Lane's my ass. Guess what? This case will be thrown out. So hurry up and write my ticket.
Okay.
Anything I get.
Yeah, bring no copper, brick of ice, be on the turn
You gotta get out of the vehicle.
Give me my license.
I will once you get out of the
No,
vehicle.
I don't have to. Give me my
You do,
license.
because we're towing the vehicle. The plates are expired. No! Curry, signal 5, she's taking off from the stop.
All cars stand by, unless you have signal 5 crash.
She turned eastbound on Thornton. We're trying to catch up to her. Confirm. Speeds are 45. I'm still catching up to her right now. We have Mark Lane's violation, and then also expired plate. She took off once we said we were into the vehicle. We're still trying to catch up to her. Speeds are going to be 40. Looks like she's about to try down the highway here, 76 west. Kari, we just got on the highway. We're going to get off the next exit. We're no longer pursuing. I had a feeling she was going to do that. Hi!
Shut your ass up. Don't even come over here talking
You're
to me.
going to get your ticket? Your car's going to get towed?
I don't give a
that.
You want to send a
Don't do that.
Oh, I will.
What'd she say?
I'll spit on you.
That's what the fuck
Car
I
10,
said.
sir.
Alright.
I ain't gonna hide nothing. I said I spit on you.
You're having a very bad day.
Oh, yeah. It's great. Yeah, everything's good. Just don't follow her steps and run from the police. This is what happens. Don't run from the police. On traffic stops, a simple traffic stop. Don't do that.
We will be transporting RML 13.
You want me to get the tow report started?
I think he's about to start that. So
Okay.
we are going to be able to get the whole. Well, we can start searching.
Got it.
I wonder where the keys are. Hey, Sulik, you got the keys?
No, they might be on the front porch. So she was inside. I just kicked the door and grabbed her. That's the bottle she had. Right here. Oh, nice. I think you're right about her being Sig 4. Those bottles are...
Are you blue?
Oh, no.
Hey,
He was involved in the traffic stop.
son.
Mark Lane's violation. Well, Mom, Mark Lane, she crossed over the lanes.
I can hear you.
And then her license plate's expired.
Just
She
stay
decided
back here right now, man. They gotta do their job.
You can't go up to her.
Hey. Hey.
I want you to come. I need you to come. I know, but she's amped up. I can't have you over there.
Close your mouth. Just wait.
So she got pulled over.
She
decided to leave us
decided to
and
run.
then decided to fight us when we got here at her house. So she's going to jail tonight. She tried to fight us.
It was
You guys are good?
right here that pulled me over to mine. This right here pulled me over.
Yep, I did.
And they tried to tow my car. Wipe my window down.
Nope.
I know. She's under arrest. She is not being cooperative, so no one's talking to her. You guys can sit in your truck and wait. And if she calms down, I'll let you talk to her. But right now, nobody's talking to her.
Why is it
Anytime we get into use of force with somebody, the ambulance comes out.
Why y'all go to the car?
Because it's getting towed.
It's getting towed.
That's why she ran from the traffic stop. The plates were expired. Because the plates were expired, and then she ran from us. We got into a chase with her, and then she came back here.
If a hard plate is expired by more than a month,
I literally have her license right here from our traffic stop. They're the ones that arrested her. They came back here.
and she ran from us, so it's also being seized for that. So like I said, if she calms down, I'll let you guys talk to her, but right now, you guys wouldn't mind just sitting in your truck and waiting for her, okay? Or in the house. I mean, it's her house if you want to sit.
I believe
the
that was in
phone's
here.
still
The keys
inside.
were in there. Yeah, the phone. I saw a phone in there.
Yeah, we only, her purse that was with her, that was the only thing we grabbed if it's in the purse. I'm sure she'll want me to give the purse to you guys, so I'll ask her in a second.
Was it this door?
Yeah, so like it wouldn't open, so I kicked, I think that's my footprint right here, I like kicked it to pop the lock open.
Oh, okay.
And then it finally popped because it was locked at first.
So she was sitting here?
Yeah, she was standing there, walked towards the wooden door, and I grabbed her to put her arms behind her back. She pulled, so I did a takedown. We landed on this couch thing right here.
2330.
Whoa, whoa. Sit in, dear. Hi, I'm Sergeant Smith. I'm the on-duty sergeant tonight.
Can you want to listen to these?
Yeah, I can check him real quick.
Who are some cops right here?
What's
Because
your...
first of all, he
Ma'am,
told me.
Ma'am, I'm here to get your side of the story.
My name is
not,
Chandra.
I'm not here for anything but the traffic stop
Well, you
or
see, I'm
the
still
arrest.
going to jail.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, so what you need my side of the story for?
Because I like to get your side of the story.
Why you
because
believe
I
your
have to-
sergeants? Usually believe your police before you believe a citizen.
I have to do an investigation, and I like to get your side of the story because your side counts.
Do it really?
It does.
I don't think so.
Nothing
Well,
you
first
say.
of all,
To,
they
nothing you
said
say
that I
to
was
me.
swerving down Viota, where
Okay.
technically I wasn't because I just came down Viota right there on Superior. They was nowhere in sight, so they must have came down there right Raymond
Okay.
because they wasn't even behind me. And I know that for a fact because I always check my perimeter about you little people. What's that street called? Thornton.
Thornton.
That's when they turn their little sirens on.
Okay.
Then I gave him my ID. I said, just give me my ticket, because that's what you could get. Just give me my ticket. Because when I just checked Georgia's list, my license is still valid. So I don't know what it shows canceled over here, but my license is valid.
Yeah. Okay.
And he said he was towing my car. No, they're not, because my license is valid. All you had to do is give me my ticket. Because you didn't even, he, first of all, didn't say why he was towing my car. He said, get out, your car is being towed.
Okay.
For what?
You want me to answer that?
Yeah. Cause
Well,
what
your license plate's expired, so that's a reason we can tow it.
Man,
Additionally, they'd have to Additionally, they have to verify your license through Georgia. We have to run that through the radio. But my understanding is we didn't even get that opportunity because
they never did. They already came and said they was towing my car.
Okay, so what happened?
So they never did
What happened
get
after
that
they said they were?
verification.
What happened after
I
that?
pulled off.
So you just left the traffic stop?
Yes.
Okay. Do you feel that you were free to leave?
No, because what you towing my car for?
Okay.
That's still what you towing my car for.
Okay.
I just got a citation last week. They have to give me the reason of why they towing my car.
Well, it sounds like they may not have
They
had the
did not.
opportunity.
They
because
automatically said they towing my car. They didn't say, ma'am, well, it looks like your license is being suspended or anything like that.
Okay.
They automatically said, we're towing your car.
What happened here? It sounds like the officer had to use a little bit of force to put you in handcuffs.
I was on the front porch.
Okay.
He broke it. He kicked that door in.
Yeah. Okay.
He right what he said. He kicked that door in. Because I said, no, leave me alone.
Alright.
That's exactly what I said.
So what
I
happened?
got a lie for. I don't
What
need to lie
happened
about
between
nothing.
the door getting kicked and you being put in handcuffs?
I didn't put. Well, these 2 weak officers that you have right here said that I pinched them or whatever. Not. Well, first of all, they don't need to manhandle me. I'm only 4'11". Both of them don't need to handle me like they did.
Okay. Do you have any questions that I could answer?
Why? What you gonna answer for me, sir?
Any questions that you have, that's what I would like to answer. Because right now I'm here and on scene. And in
I'm
a
glad
little
you're
while
on
you'll
scene.
be on your way to county.
I'll sleep there.
So,
Court be a Monday.
Now that we understand what happened, let's talk about how the law applies. Under the Fourth Amendment to the US Constitution, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, a traffic stop is considered a seizure and must be based on reasonable suspicion of a violation, such as the observed marked lanes and improper turn here. Once stopped, drivers must comply with basic lawful orders, like providing identification, as upheld in cases like Hibble versus 6th Judicial District Court, though states vary on requiring answers to all questions. Ohio law, as an example of state criminal law, allows towing for expired plates under municipal codes if they exceed a certain period, escalating a minor infraction into an impoundment scenario. The officer's inquiry about firearms stems from officer safety doctrines during stops, derived from Terry versus Ohio, permitting limited questions without probable cause for arrest. Refusing to lower loud music could violate local noise ordinances, but more critically, fleeing transforms the encounter. Fleeing and eluding police is a felony in many states under criminal law, requiring probable cause that evolves from the initial stop to the pursuit. At the residence, the takedown implicates use of force standards under Graham versus Connor, evaluating reasonableness based on the threat level, active resistance and severity of the crime. Here, fleeing justified pursuit and arrest. Resisting arrest without violence may be a misdemeanor, but physical struggle elevates it, potentially under 14th Amendment due process, if excessive force is alleged. Key doctrines include detention versus arrest. The stop was a temporary detention, but towing and flight created probable cause for full arrest. Free speech limits under the First Amendment allow argumentative language but not interference with police duties. Identification laws require disclosure during lawful stops, but non-compliance alone doesn't always justify arrest unless tied to other violations. The driver's refusal to comply with orders, followed by fleeing, escalated a routine traffic stop into a felony pursuit and physical confrontation. Lawful alternatives included calmly questioning the towing basis or requesting a supervisor on scene, potentially de-escalating without flight. Arguing rights is protected, but physical resistance or evasion shifts the dynamic to probable cause for arrest. Remember, challenges to police actions belong in court through motions to suppress evidence, not resolved roadside. Key lessons. Know your rights during stops, but compliance often prevents escalation. Consult statutes like state vehicle codes for plate requirements. This is general education on US law, not advice for your situation. Seek a licensed attorney for specifics.